2.8, the product rule. So the product rule states that h of x equals f multiplied by g, h prime of x equals f prime of x multiplied by g of x plus g prime of x multiplied by f of x. So there's a much easier way of doing this instead of memorizing the formula. And we could do that by identifying 8x as f of x and identifying sine of x as g of x. So we put f of x here and then g of x right below it, and then across from them we put their derivatives. So the derivatives are 8 and cosine of x, and then we cross multiply, and we find that f prime of x equals 8 sine x plus 8x cosine x. And then we could do the same right here, fx, gx, f prime x, g prime of x, cross multiply, answer, f of x, g of x, f prime of x, g prime of x, cross multiply, is the answer. The table below shows values of two differentiable functions f and g, as well as their derivatives. So first, we use the product rule, and then we could find the derivative. So we find that to be first we just write out fx, gx, f prime of x, and then g prime of x. Then we find that it's asking for h prime of 2. So you plug in the values of 2 in place of x, look at the table, and then we can use the table. And we find that, see, f of x is 12, gx is -1, f prime of x is -2, and g prime of x is 2. Cross multiply, add, and then we find that h prime of 2 is 26. Over here, so a little harder, but it's the same process. This is f of x. This is g of x. Anything added or subtracted is not a part of the derivative. Anything multiplied is a part of the derivative. So this is 1/2 of f prime of x, and then this is just g prime of x. Using the table, we find that this is 7/2, this is 5, this is 2, and this is 5. By cross multiplying, we could find that r prime of -5 equals 55/2.